If you want to get to know about urgent care EMR, then you have to make a search for it, and you must have the most basic knowledge about it. Whenever it comes to be a citizen of Texas, and in Texas, whenever we need urgent care EMR, how we being treated and how we being get into the hospital, into the emergency room, or into other facilities that must be available to the patient at that moment. For that thing, we have to make a search for that by the statement that urgent, we will search for it, urgent care EMR. And we will also make a search for that what is EMR about, best urgent care EMR software, reviews and pricing. So what does EMR stand for? Emergency. We can click on it to check whether it has the meaning what we were thinking, or whether it has an else meaning. As you can see from the very first website, there comes a different meaning, best urgent care EMR software. And next there are the websites that can make you in contact with any doctor, with any other hospital, any private medical, or any else thing that you need at that time. So you can see here, what does EMR stand for? Emergency. It is giving us the answer. Emergency medical responders provide immediate life-saving care to critical patients who access the emergency medical services system. EMRs have the knowledge and skills necessary to provide immediate life-saving interventions while awaiting additional EMS resources to arrive. So that was the answer, in which they are saying that is it's by its name it is cleared, it is clarified that it is a software, it is a website, or physically, when it comes to physical appearance, it comes to responders. Whenever we have a critical patient and that patient needs urgent care, they help us, they respond us, and they care for that patient. So how to get in contact with that website, with those true persons that can be true responders to you or to your patient? Let's find in this video with me. First of all, when I am clicking on Cure EMD, and we can see here that which information they will need, or how much long process they will ask us, as we don't have any much time whenever we have such critical patients. So let's see how much urgent it is and which kind of information it will need for validity that you have a patient. That's not a joke, or that's not a disabled service. There's the name of Dr. Herman Chiu, that comes for CMO and founder of Urgent Way. The purpose of human life is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. Cure MD helps me do all this. Cure MD is the website. Cure MD can be the hospital, which is in which the doctor is working by the name Dr. Herman Chiu. And that's his post, that's his status, CMO and founder of Urgent Way. After that, there are some clinical automations of EMR that include integrated knowledge base, review of systems, workflow editor, vitals and history, autonote, e-constants, body charts, templates, library, orders and results, follow-up tracking. EMR, and below is PM, that also has many revenues, and below there is medical billing that also has profitability. So after getting to know about these kind of websites, about these kind of services, there would be no critical patient left untreated. Next, they are telling us their appreciations, like 3 ways Cure MD optimizes urgent care. Very first one way they are providing us is more profit, get $10 to $15 more per visit with accurate coding and documentation. And they are saying that $10 to $15 is just their cost, and that is very normal cost for the people to visit such a standardized Medicare. Second, on the second number, there is better performance. See patients faster and deliver better care in under 2 minutes. As the condition we have talked about, that the condition of the patient is too much critical, so we have to make a performance that will affect the patient very positively in a very short time. So they are telling us that their time is 2 minutes. That's their claim, and obviously they are concluding it. Next and third one, the last one, is effortless management. That is quick and easy access to practice performance anytime, anywhere. It means they are saying if you access the website online, if you access the Dr. Human online, then his name was Dr. Herman Chu, the doctor online, then you can he will tell the way, or the any other Medicare will tell the way from this website, very easy and quick way that anyone can arrange that, anyone can perform that